Ever wondered why your TikTok videos lose quality right after you upload them? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload your TikTok videos in crystal clear HD resolution, just like the pros do. Whether you're a creator, influencer, or just love posting crisp content, this step-by-step guide will make your uploads stand out with high-quality visuals and sharp detail, no blurriness, no compression. So before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and drop a like if you're ready to level up your TikTok game in style. Let's get started. Open your TikTok app and head over to the search bar and search for 8K effects. Then click on this first option and select this 8K quality option. Now click on this button to select the video you want to upload from your gallery. When done selecting, tap on Next. Click on Next once again. Now click on this More Options. Then scroll down and enable this option called Allow High Quality Uploads. Click here to go back. And finally, click on Post to upload your video. And that's how you upload your TikTok videos in high quality resolution without losing a single pixel of clarity. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to Highly Practicals and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more smart tech tricks like this. Here on Highly Practicals, we make tech simple, practical, and powerful, one video at a time. Thanks for watching. And I'll catch you in the next one. Stay smart, stay practical.